Welcome to our channel MF Collections. It's only nature that heals your inner without any delays. Beautiful natural scenes and flowers in fields are an amazing relief technique for human brain. Sunset is a mesmerizing thing for everyone. To see the huge sun descending gradually. It is a different aspect of life that opens at different ends of life to relax. It's also scary to indulge in rain when far from home and wanted to go home without wastage of time. The most passionate vision of late, night with rain because you have to enjoy it on your vehicle